All right, so I just want to show you guys something really quick that's right here on my desk. This is my first ever fully hand-wired keyboard called the Scotto 40. Now, I don't know why I called it the Scotto 40. I think it was because it was a 40% board, but it obviously doesn't have 40 keys here. It has like this weird thing. There was no stabilizer in the middle, so if we like look at that, there's no stabilizer. And then if we actually pop off the plate here, it was kind of very, very messy. It wasn't printed well. This was printed on like an Ender 3. This was a learning curve keyboard. This is what started it for me. This is where I learned how to kind of begin everything. And now here we are 3 years later. I've done like 33 different Handwired designs that I have released for free. If you want to download and build those yourself, I'll link those down below so you can kind of do that. But what I'm talking about today isn't free. You probably saw the title. We're talking about Scotto Academy because that is my paid workshop series where kind of I get together with like 10 to 15 people on Discord and we work through a thing together live. We did one for a beginner macro pad a few weeks ago. We did another one for PCB design, and now we're doing this with the Scotto 40 because I think this would kind of be a good one to step up into and maybe hook people a little bit more with hand wiring because that's what this board did for me. But we're not going to build this one because this one's obviously ugly. I've obviously like done revisions on this over the past few years. That's why we have the actual newer Scotto 40 that does have 40 keys, so it does live up true to the name. And then if we look at the wiring inside, it's a little bit better, I think, than the first one, if we kind of look at that. So a little bit cleaner, a little bit more refined, I would say. I've gotten good at this over the past few years. Let's just say that, you know, not to toot my own horn or anything. I'm kind of good at this, okay? I'm kind of good at building hand-wired keyboards. That's why I'm the hand-wired guy. Anyway, this is what I want to build together with you guys in the Academy is a keyboard like this. And there is two options with it. You could either bring your own parts and kind of make sure everything's right and follow along that way if you don't want to pay a little bit extra. But for a little bit extra, I will actually include a kit that has the keycaps, it has switches, it has a 3D printed case, it has pre-cut copper wires. So all these copper wires, I'll pre-cut those and send them to you. A controller, wire, pretty much everything. The details for all this are down below if you do want to do this with me. They've been a lot of fun the last few ones I've done, and I think this will be a lot of fun too. So I'm kind of doing this as like an ad just to kind of get that out there and show you guys that this is something I'm running right now. But by the end of it, you should have a keyboard like this that you fully hand-wired yourself. And really, if you get the parts kit, all you need are the kind of soldering tools, which are all mentioned there, just soldering iron, basic kind of tools like that, soldering iron, wire clippers, wire strippers. But with that, I'll link everything down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.